Alright guys, here's the chicken coop. I've been meaning to get out here and get some of this video for a little while. I'm just going to show you some of the design features and some of the stuff that's going on in here. There in the back you can see the nesting boxes. And right now I have the roost bars put up so that I can kind of climb inside. There's one of the chickens now coming through the door. As you can see here, this is the chicken door that I designed. They can get in and out of it no problem. It basically operates on some cabinet drawer slides. They're really smooth, unlike ball bearings. And it operates off of the 12-volt window motor. You can see here it's a cable-driven motor. And then this is the part that goes up and down, which pulls the door up and down. Pretty simple design. Then, as you see here, there's a stop switch on the top, which cuts the power, or actually cuts the ground. And then in the evening, when the timer flips it to go the other way, there's a stop switch here at the bottom, which gets hit by this board here. It triggers both of them. As you can see here, here's the nest boxes. There's some eggs in it from today. Still in the process of cleaning things out, so there's a little bit of pine shavings left behind. I'll pull back here. Here's my battery box. This has a 12-volt deep cycle battery. You can see the wiring comes up out of the battery. There's also wire here that goes to my little solar controller. As you can see, the light in right here is showing that it's charging and that the sun is shining. 12.47 volts. And then up here is the control box. Okay, I went ahead and lowered the roost bar. There's 4 rungs. And they like to climb up as high as they can. But as you can see up on the top there's hinges. So this can come up and down. Makes it a lot easier to clean things out. And then over here is just a little board on a hinge that it sits on whenever I need it to be out of the way. I installed a window here that can be opened and closed. If there's a big storm coming, I close it. Most of the other times it's always open. And then the floor, you can see right here there's a seam. And there's a seam up there, up a little ways too. Actually the floor can come out and there's hardware cloth underneath there. Where in the summer when it's super hot, I can open the floor up and let some more air draft past the roost bars. We'll go ahead and look over here at some of the wiring. And I'll try and get into more detail soon. But these are the wires coming in from the solar panels. They come in and go down over to the controller. Then up here is where my power goes. Right here, it's a little timer. I can set the time. That's the morning, that's the evening when it kicks off. And then I have a double pole, double throw relay, which when the power kicks on in the morning, it sends power to the motor that makes it open until it hits the stop switch. And then in the evening, when the timer kicks off, the power turns off to the relay, switches the polarity, and changes the motor power to go down until it hits the stop switch at the bottom. I'll try and get a better diagram here before too long for you guys to see. There's also a fuse I have pulled right now, but it's fused so that I can always cut the power off real easy. Go ahead and step out. It's kind of a view There's the feeder. Their feed's always inside, so they have to come inside to get feed. Otherwise, they're just outside. Up here, you can see the solar panels. Got two of them. I kind of angle them different directions, kind of get a little bit of sun in the morning and sun in the evening. And then right here's the door from the outside. This is on an old trailer chassis, and they just hop up on the tire. I have a little board here, it kind of helps them. And then they just go in and out, no problem. And then you can see under here, they really like being under here because they can actually roost during the day on that crossbar. They like to spend a lot of their daytime hours when it's really hot and sunny up under here. And it protects them from hawks and other predators, gives them somewhere to hide. I went ahead and used siding, and there's actually insulation underneath this siding. Helps kind of regulate the temperature in the summer and in the winter. And then I've just got the metal roof on the top. Over here is the outside of the nest boxes. The little hinges here. Just pops it open. And there's our eggs inside. And just close it right back up. Boom. Everything works out great. Just kind of come around. Here's the window on the outside. Just helps them get some air. Keeps the coop a little bit of fresh air all the time. So this is it, folks. I'll try and get you some more detail on the chicken door and show you a little bit more of the design another day. Thanks, and check us out for more videos to come.